Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Myjury app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. You just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on backup and restore. Just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you just click here on backup remainder here. And here you select remainder interval here or remainder backup on your Myjury app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.